This is No Raf 12 coming at you one more time. So what me and my daughter are going to do today, we are going to try to get my tire one more time. The last time I went to get my tire, after the guy roughed it up around the edges, I was disappointed. So the video that we made, we trashed it. So today, we're going to try it again. So as you see, my car here, it's been sitting here for like 2 weeks. And you see all the dust and stuff on it. So you just follow me around the side. Let me show you something. It is filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. So there's no way I would drive this car with 3 of these bad boys on it here, these nice wheels. If you look back here at the back, I have the wheel that came with the car. Now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and try to get my tire today, and hopefully we get it. Now, some of y'all probably wondering why I have on my strong. Let me tell you, it is hot today. It is hot. It is too hot. So hopefully this umbrella will keep some of the sun off of me. So with no further ado, we're on our way out of here. So right now, that's a wrap. What's up, Facebook? I am back. We're back here to pick up my wheel. You see we're back at the European Auto Center. And we're gonna try this one more time. So as I walk through, I'm thinking, does he have my wheel right this time? We got here. Roll them, Gary. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it is kind of rough here still. Let's come out here in the light so I can see.
That's where the wax still is built up on it a little bit.
Now, from your point of view, see, when I brought it, you know, when I first came here with my car, you know, it was like nice and smooth. Now, what do you think? Now, put yourself in my shoes. Now, put yourself in my shoes. See that? Yeah. Now, when I brought it, it didn't look nothing like this. Honestly, it's worse. It really don't look good at all.
Yeah, I can see what you're saying.
Yeah, I mean, get a close view of this, Gabby. Look at this. Go all the way around this. Look at this. I still can't take it. It's not.
Try to call him again.
Once again, people, I come here to try to get my wheel again. It's not up to my standards. Y'all, tell me what you think. Just leave me some comments. As of right now, that's a wrap. What's up, YouTube? This is No Raf 12 coming at you again. I have just got back from the European auto dealer and got my wheel. Now, like I said, I made it back home. I'm still upset, but I want y'all guys to take a look at what I got back. If you notice, I guess he did like a bad paint job, just following my paint hands around. When I took this wheel here, it didn't look nothing like this. But if you look, as I got home, I guess he tried to put some paint on it. I have no clue. So I need y'all guys to tell me what you think and what I should do about this. I know one thing I'm gonna do. He will be reported to the Better Business Bureau. Now, with that said, I don't know if I'm gonna put this wheel back on my car at the time, because I was supposed to be going to the heat wave here in July. So I'm kind of upset right now. So I just got to think and see what I'm gonna do. But as of right now, it's a wrap.